Welcome to another edition of Kendrick's News, Views, and Reviews, and today I'll be giving you a review of the LG Stylo 13 megapixel under high windy conditions. As you can see, the wind is blowing very strongly. As I give you a zoom here, you can look at the trees. But my focus today will be on the sound. Under high windy conditions, you still could actually hear my sound. You can hear my voice. And of course you can hear the wind. As you can see, the 13 megapixels are not interrupted by the windy noises at all. I'm actually moving around and pan, scan. Let's get a zoom here. Alright. Well, if you like this video, please give it a thumb up and also leave your comments.